Now moving on to the 21st question. Which of the answer figures is the exact mirror image of the given problem figure? When the mirror is held at the right side. So right side means mirror is held here. So when the mirror is held here, we are asked to find the mirror image of this picture here. Okay, and these are the options. So when the mirror image comes, here it is the mirror. So the first one will be this non-colored this shape. So the first non-colored shape will come. So here it is in another direction. So this one will not come. Here first one is the non-colored one. So this will come, and the third here it is colored one. So this will not come. Here also first one is non-colored one. So either 2 or 4 will come. Now let's see the next step. So here second it will come colored. And if we see this dot, first one will be dark and the second one will be non-colored one. This dot alone I am talking about. So here also the first one is colored one, this dot, and the second one is not colored dot. This circle, this small circle is what I am talking about. But in the fourth one, the first small circle is colored, but the second one is also colored. This should be non-colored one. Then only it will be the right answer. So fourth one will not come. So second one is our right answer. Second one is the mirror image of this picture given here. Now moving to the next question, 22nd one. In this question, three statements are given followed by two conclusions number 1 and 2. Assuming the statements to be true, even if they seem to be at variance with commonly known facts, decide which of the conclusions logically follows or follow from the statements. So statements are given. So now let's see. So remember the technique that I already told you. So no streak is a line. So yes, let's suppose S as a streak and L as a line. So there is no relation between them. So no streak is a line. Now some lines are bands. Some lines are bands. Let's suppose there is a band. So some lines are bands. Now third statement is all bands are flashes. So all bands are flashes. So flashes comes in this segment of flashes. Bands comes in the circle of flashes. So this is it. So now let's read the conclusions. Some flashes are streaks. Some flashes are streaks. There is no relation as such given in this statement. So it is not correct conclusion. So second conclusion is no flash is a line. No flash is a line. We cannot say that because flashes have common lines. So it is also not a correct conclusion. So both the first conclusion and the second conclusions are not correct. So the fourth option, that is neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. So fourth one is the right answer. Now moving to the 23rd question. Select the set in which the numbers are related in the same way as are the numbers of the following sets. The operation should be performed on the whole numbers like we have discussed in the previous questions. So the pairs are, or the set of numbers are 239, 127 and 212, 96, 64 and 132. So if we see the relation of these two numbers, let me write it for you. So the first one is 239 and 127 and 212. So from these pairs, if we see 239 minus 127 plus 100, we will get 212. So 239 minus 127, we will get 112, and plus 100, we will get 212. In the same way, if we see the next set of numbers, that is 96, 64 and 132. So if we see these numbers, 96 minus 64 plus 100, we will get 132. So that's the relation of these numbers. Now if we see the options, 262 minus 132, we should, and plus 100, we should get 230, not 240. So this is not the right one. And second option, if we see 140 minus 76, we should get something around 164, not 181. So that is also not the correct answer. Now see third one, 160. If we see the third one, 167 minus 89 plus 100, we will get 178. So this is the right answer. Third option is the right answer. Third option is the right one, which is in the same pattern as these two sets of numbers. Now moving to the 24th question, which of the answer figures is the exact mirror image? Again mirror image is asked, so mirror is to the right side. So here also we can see the non-colored one, so that should come first here, and the second should be this colored one. So the first non-colored one is second and third and fourth options. Now we should see the small dots. So this small dot should come here. It is here. It is here. It is here. And this pentagon, colored pentagon, is to the left side of this triangle. You can see here. So this colored pentagon, if we see here, here also it is colored pentagon, and here also it is colored pentagon, but here it is not colored pentagon. So fourth option is not correct. So now 2 and 3. If you see the second figure, first it should come the pentagon, then this circle which is not colored. Here it is correct, and here it is not. So the answer will be, the second one. So second one is the right answer. Second one is the right answer. Now moving to the next question, select the option that is related to the fifth letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster and the fourth letter cluster is related to the third letter cluster. So this is similar to the ones we have done. So the first one is heroes. So heroes is written as LP V L B W. So if we see here, H H, H, I, J, K, then comes L. So H plus 4. So H plus 4, H plus 4 we get L. And if we see E, then it is actually minus 3. That is B, C, D, E. That means difference of 3. But it is diminished to B, not adding. So it is a subtraction. So minus 3 is here. And if we see R, it is again, I think, addition. So R is T, U, V. So it is plus 4 again. But if we see O, it is diminished to L, not addition. Here also it is subtraction. So L, M, N, O. So it is minus 3. If we see E, also here again it is subtraction and it is minus 3. So if we see S here it is addition. S, T, U, V, W. So plus 4. In the same way, if we see invest and F, R, Z, B, W, X, we get the same relationship. In the same way, we can find out kidnap. So, if we see kidnap, we have to use the same relation. That is plus 4 minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 minus 3 plus 4. So, in the same way, if we see K plus 4, it will come O. And I minus 3, it will come F. And D plus 4, it will come H. And again N minus 3, it will come R. And A again it will be minus 3. So A minus 3 means we will be going backward from Z. So it will be X. So X and P again we are adding. So plus 4. P plus 4 is 10. T. So this O, F, H, R, X, T will be our option. So which one? Yes. Third option will be the right answer. So I hope this is clear for you and thank you. Now we will do more from the quantitative section of SSC CGI question paper.